Hi everyone, Agnieszka here from Publitas Customer Success Team. This tutorial is meant for our customers with an enterprise license, as today we cover user management. If you're wondering about the differences between an admin and a regular user, or how to add and remove profiles from an account, continue watching. Now let's go into the platform. For any activities related to user management, we always start by going to the User Management section located in the top right menu. To add a new profile, click Add New User and decide on the user's role. Admin will have access to all publication groups in the account and the ability to create new users, while a user will only have access to the groups specified by an admin. Access to groups can be changed at any time. Remember to give access to at least one publication group when you set up a new user so that the account is active. Publitas invitation will be sent to the user's email address with a link to set up their password. The token for setting a password expires after 3 days. If necessary, you can send a new token from this menu. You can edit a user's permissions and details or remove their profile by clicking the 3 dots next to their email address. It's a good practice to review the list of users a few times per year and remove profiles that no longer need access. Now you know how to manage users in Publitas. In case of any questions, you can always reach out to our support team. Helpful articles from our knowledge base are of course linked below. Thank you for watching, happy publishing, and see you in the next one.